Alois Sennenfelder invented lithography in 1796. He was a playwright and he wanted to duplicate his plays and found that the lithographic Bavarian limestone was the ultimate material to use for that process. The lithographic limestone can actually be used over and over and over again, and to take the previous image off of the stone, it's actually grained at a graining sink with carborundum, which is basically sandpaper without the paper. The image is cleaned off the stone, and the artist can then draw with a greasy material, preferably a lithographic stone or crayon or a liquid called touche, which allows artists to get a painterly look on the stone. After that drawn material is set and dried into the grains of the stone, it can then be processed with gum arabic and nitric acid, and this will establish the image area and the non-image area of the stone. That process of applying gum arabic to the stone will actually make the drawing hydrophobic and the non-image area hydrophilic, which means one will accept water and one will repel water, which makes the process work. The original drawing is washed out of the image after it's processed, and a new material called asphaltum, which is a printing base, is then replenishing the drawing material. That will accept ink when I print. So when the stone is pressed on the printmaking press, it's then sponged with water, very thin film of water. An oily based ink is rolled over the surface and will stick onto where the artist has drawn on the stone. After that, a roller or a press is used to make the impression. There's two different presses primarily. There's a direct printing press, and what we're using today is an offset printing press. And what will happen is the blanket on the cylinder on the offset press will actually pick up the image from the stone, and as it moves across the press, it will actually place that image on a piece of paper, and after that's done, the final impression will be transferred from the stone to the paper.